Okay, you guys. I got a lot of opinions and suggestions. Everybody wants me to talk more and explain what I'm doing, but I like working fast. I don't like stopping, telling you start, stop, work, start, and stuff like that. It's not a how-to channel. It's more of a how I do it, how I get down. But a lot of people telling me more talking, less working. I'm the type of more working, less talking. Alright, so in this video we're gonna show this is almost the end of the video. But when I was trying to make it, there was a lot of movement, a lot of noise. So this is mostly the end of the video. I still gotta grind down where the strokes hits the top control arms. I have to grind down that. I have to remove the backing plates on the front spindle because it's gonna have a disc brake conversion. So I have to remove that. I removed all the bushings. They was all messed up. Some of the casing where the bushing goes, those are messed up, and the control arms are how we say is they wango. The casing of the bushing just goes in and out by itself. So I'm gonna see if we replace both of the rear control arms, the bottom control arms, and just keep the top. But I have to see what the owner, what he says about those, cause he's still gonna get them re-chrome. But if they sell these new for less, why not just get them new and re-chrome those, and not re-chrome, but chrome those instead of these. That's how I see it. But let's see what he says. It took me like an hour from start to finish to remove all the bushings. One of the top one controllers gave me problems, and one of the rear ones gave me problems. Other than that, it was straightforward. They popped out. Like I say, someone was really wongo. Wongo means loose, loosey goosey. That's about it. So what they suggested me is to talk, say what am I doing, and just play the video. Speak more. But let me show you. Right here, I'm gonna have to bring a little bit more down. Right here, I'm gonna have to bring a little bit more down just to clear the stroke. This one too. This is the on those. I'm gonna have to take the backing plate off. To take the backing plate so they can have a front disc brake version. Some of these shits are very wongo. Clean up my mess, put stuff away. So this is like almost the finish of the video, but it will be in the beginning of the video. There was too much noise and too much stuff going on. I couldn't record. But yeah, let's see. here you have it. They are completed. Back in place remove. All the bushings are removed. Grind down and smooth out because it was hitting the strokes. I was gonna take these cups off the rear, but it has like inside welds. Inside weld, and it has outside welds. And the control arm is no good, so I was gonna waste my time, like I already did, pressing out the bushing, and I was gonna waste my time cutting those things out. I'm just gonna search eBay, see if I can find some used stock ones or new ones, see what will be the cheapest route. And in the rear, in the front bottoms too, you can see where there was the boo-boo, where it was hidden. You can see how it swelled up. To remove it, take the rear to the front one. See, the front one is, the other front one is removed. See if I can find those two, and the rear ones, the bottom ones only. The top ones on the rear is gonna be the UMI adjustable ones, the tubular adjustable ones. It just so almost from this pile, it's just gonna be the spindles, top control arms, and the shafts for the top bushing that's usable. I'm gonna see where I can find the two bottom ones for front and rear. Probably eBay is gonna be the fastest if I can find a used set, and take off the bushings on that set too. But yeah, this is gonna be this is the end of the video, but it's gonna be played in the beginning of the video, so for the people that wants me to talk on the videos and what I did to them. But yeah, see you on the next one.